Hi guys, it's Abby. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. My name is Abby. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're new to my channel, and please leave a like and a friendly comment down below. So for today's video, I've got a really exciting video. I'm going to be unboxing the Zara bag. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I saw this on TikTok. I can't remember whose account. I'll try and find their name. And I basically saw it and I thought that bag looks so nice. And it's the tote bag with the initials. So I've never ordered from Zara before, so I thought I'll give it a go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at how nice that is. Like, oh, I'm so excited. I'm nervous. Okay. Right, let me show you. So I also got the Zara tracksuit in pink, but these are the joggers, and then the top came in a different parcel. But if you can see what I'm wearing right now, it looks really similar, and I have pink joggers, but it is a slightly different pink, and this has gone a bit funny, and like the sleeves have gone all wobbly. So should I just treat myself to the new one? Do you know what I mean? I think I'm going to do it. And this is the bag. I'm so excited. You can see it. Oh, it's so it's so excited. Honestly, I'm literally so excited for this. It comes like really nicely wrapped, and it's in this gorgeous little like dust bag. Oh my word, I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm so excited by it, but basically this bag is so affordable. It's a gorgeous black tote bag, and like, when can you like not use black tote bag? Do you know what I mean? But then it's got my name on it. Well, it's got my initials on it. I went for the pink because I thought, how cute will it look if I'm like walking along and I've got like my pink tracksuit on, a little hint of pink there, and my pink shoes. Okay, I love pink. Okay, if you don't love pink, then you might judge me, but I really love pink, so I thought that would look so cool, like pink, pink, pink. So yeah, honestly, take a shot every time I say I love pink at this point. But I thought it's so nice because, say if I'm wearing like an all black outfit, I've just got like a little pop of colour, and obviously you can turn it around this way if you're just wanting it to be a plain black tote bag. And for the price I paid, I think it's worth it just for the tote, let alone the fact it has my initials on. Oh, I love it. I think it's so nice. And it's got a lot of room. You could definitely fit a laptop in. That's what the initials look like from the other side, but like it's a little bit like coming out there, but it does feel pretty good quality for the price I paid. Oh my word. And then inside it has a little in the middle bag. I'm sure that's not what they're called, but so you've got like the big bags you can put in like your laptop, anything you want. This is like a really good size bag. But then in the middle, for things that you want to put in the middle bit, you can put in a little compartment. That's really nice, actually. I like that. I did not know it had that little compartment. But I went for the black bag and the pink embroidery, but there was quite a few options to choose from. I just went for this one, and it says the bag is £19.99 on the tag, and then with personalisation I think it was £22.99, so that's like really worth it. Only thing is, it's picking up like all the little hairs in the room. It's that kind of like material. I really like it. I think it's such a nice affordable treat. Thanks for being there for the unboxing with me. Just thought I'd unbox it because I know this isn't a designer bag, but when I brought, oh, the sun's gone now. When I brought the Michael Kors Saffiano 3-in-1 crossbody bag, I did like a little TikTok unboxing of it, which I posted on here, and some of you guys really loved it. So I thought, now when I get bags, I'll do like a proper full-on unboxing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Excuse my baby hairs. If anyone knows like how I can like style these, I'd really appreciate it, because they're just growing like at a rapid rate. That is literally a fringe. I don't know what to do with them. But my hairdresser said they stop growing when you're 25, but then I kind of don't want them to stop growing, because at least it means I'm still young and youthful. My little baby hairs. Anyway, that's not about the unboxing, is it? Let me know down below if you've got one of these, or if you're thinking of getting one, or what colour you would get. You can get black with black embroidery, gold, pink, or white, I think. Yeah. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in next week's video. Bye.